Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate mean and standard deviation in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to calculate mean and standard deviation of the number which you have in Excel. Okay, so I have these numbers. Okay, now I want to just find out the mean of these numbers and also standard deviation of these numbers. Okay, so first we will find out mean. Okay, so what you have to do, just press equal, then here you will see average, just type average. Okay, this is average. Okay, then you have to select all the numbers. Okay, now bracket close. This is the mean of this number. Okay, now here you have to just to find out standard deviation, you have to just press equals to. Okay, then here you have to type stdev. Okay, then select the numbers and then bracket close and enter. Now this is the standard deviation of these numbers. So like this you can calculate mean and standard deviation in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.